the Samantha harassment case, a furious judge unleashes her wrath on Meghan, while the Duchess is set to go on trial in November. Unchained, the Duchess was set to go on trial in November in a case that has captured public attention, Meghan's defamation lawsuit against Samantha Markle. The focus of the public, the legal proceedings surrounding Samantha Markle's defamation complaint against Meghan Markle, are still ongoing. When furious Florida Judge Charlene Edwards Honeywell gave a harsh censure on Meghan Markle and vowed to use all available resources to ensure justice was served during the trial, the case took an unexpected turn. Looms large in the distance, tensions build, and everyone is waiting for the courtroom showdown that will decide how this high-stakes legal dispute turns out. We go into great detail on the lawsuit in this video. There are ramifications for both parties from the claims, but first please enable the notification and subscribe bell for updates on the claims of slander. The Duchess of Sussex's half-sister Samantha Markle has been pursuing justice for what she sees as a heinous act of defamation. The main focus of her legal dispute revolves around remarks Meghan made in her widely reported interview with Oprah Winfrey. Meghan suggested that she was raised as an only child and that Samantha had little influence over her upbringing. She also claimed that Samantha had changed her name back to Markle following Meghan's start of a romantic engagement with Prince Harry. Samantha claims that these remarks from the Netflix series as well as the interview have harmed her beyond measure. Because of Meghan's statements, she says, she was humiliated, shamed, and hated by everyone. She is requesting at least $75,000 in damages. Samantha has set the stage for a fierce legal battle that will test the boundaries of freedom of speech and the right to protect one's reputation. A Florida judge intervened. In an unexpected turn of events, seasoned jurist Cheryl Edwards is renowned for her no-nonsense demeanor and unshakable dedication to preserving the law. Judge Honeywell voiced her displeasure with Meghan Markle's actions and vowed to hold nothing back in order to guarantee a fair trial. Many have speculated about the possible effects of her clear-cut reprimand of Meghan on the proceedings. Judge Honeywell's comments clarified the seriousness of the situation and the serious repercussions Meghan would face if the court finds her to be guilty for defamation. The judge's personal feelings may or may not factor into her decisions during the trial, but one thing is for sure, as the trial date draws near, the drama in the courtroom will only heighten. This well-known defamation action presents important legal issues concerning the right to free speech, the limitations of one's own expression, public figures' obligations, and using their influence. The verdict in this trial may establish a standard for similar cases involving public personalities and potentially harmful remarks in the future. Meghan Markle's defense team is anticipated to make an argument on behalf of free speech protection and people's freedom to express their emotions and experiences without worrying about repercussions from the law. However, as the court struggle progresses, Samantha's legal team will probably highlight the suffering that Meghan's purportedly defamatory state statutes have caused as well as the necessity of accountability. Specialists and solicitors academics will examine the case in great detail in an effort to gain understanding of how to strike a balance between one's right to free speech and one's reputation. The trial's ramifications extend well beyond the parties involved, as it raises important issues related to celebrity culture, privacy, and the obligations that accompany public prominence. Samantha Markle and Meghan Markle's upcoming trial seems to be an exciting legal show that will captivate viewers everywhere. The proceedings, i.e.,